Doing? I hope y'all doing well on today. I wanted to come through and show you guys a wig I was sent from Upgrade Hair. This is what came in my package, and this is the wig. I got a 13x6 lace front deep wave wig. My wig was in a 180% density, and I think I have transparent lace. So I did my glueless install. Very simple install, and I wanted to rock it in a flip over, in like a flip over style. Y'all know that's like my favorite style to wear, especially with curly hair. So yeah, not much to it, but I did enjoy this unit. The hair is so soft, y'all. It's so soft, and as I was fluffing it out, it got so big and so voluminous. I think I mentioned that it was a 180% density wig, so it was nice and full for it to be 180% density. But the texture is really pretty. The only thing I would say is that when I bleached the knots, I went in twice to try to bleach my knots. But other than that, the hair itself was really pretty. Like, it really pretty. So yeah, if any of you all are interested in this company or this unit, I will have all of the information and specs down below for you. Also, I want to thank Upgrade Hair for allowing me to try out this wig. I really appreciate it so much. And I want to thank each and every one of you for watching this video. I'm going to let you guys enjoy the clips, and I will talk to you guys later. It's not that I want you here, yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I can make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. You get away, palm trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna do is in the pictures on replay. Still right next to you, you do. Try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you were, but you don't really want to. I just wanna get away.
Not that I don't want you.